Hello, welcome back. So we're making an authentic Bolognese sauce, 70-year-old recipe. Have a quick look down here. You'll remember in the last video we got the ham, we've got the carrot, we've got the onion, we've got the celery, and as I promised you at the end of the last video, we've got some beef mince that we're frying away, and that's happened nicely now. So unlike a modern Bolognese sauce base, no pork in the sense of minced pork, we're using the ham for the fattiness. Over here what we've got is we've got some chicken livers. You don't see that very much. Get yourself down to Leicester Market, you can buy chicken livers very easily there, nice and clean. You're unlikely to get them in the supermarket unless it's Christmas.
Winner, chicken liver.
Yeah.
Thank you.
We're going to get that in.
You're welcome, fans.
We're going to give that a quick loving close up on that.
Bit more close up. Ooh.
No, that's lovely. No,
yeah,
no, we're getting the steam. No, the steamy windows. So what we're doing is we're letting that just gently fry away, and what we're going to do is we're going to add some white wine, some chicken stock, some
the white wine's gone missing,
puree.
darling.
Oh no, it's a vital ingredient.
Oh yeah, chicken stock. Yeah.
Tomato puree and some nutmeg. So, what time are we on?
1 minute 29 seconds.
1 minute 29 seconds. So, we've let the chicken livers cook away in there very, very nicely.
Oh, no, it's lush.
So, next in with the white wine.
Oh, I think you've got slightly...
Floyd always said, you know, don't use something that you wouldn't drink. I totally agree with him. On the other hand, you know, don't go mad.
I'll try and remember that, babe. We're on 2 minutes.
Very good. In with the chicken stock.
Yums.
In with
Tomato puree.
approximately 2 to 3 tablespoons of tomato puree.
Should we put some ketchup in there as well?
Well, if I was doing the British version of Bolognese, I probably would.
Yeah.
In with the pepper, in with the salt, in with the nutmeg, and then what we're going to do is we're going to put this on a low heat for 35 to 40 minutes. When we come back, we will serve up.
See you soon.